Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas Day 16.
Vlogmas with Carolina.
And today's Monday. Today is going to be a huge editing day. So I'm sorry in advance if this will be boring. I'm planning to eat breakfast now. The usual 2 hard-boiled eggs. And have some coffee, of course. I will start my shift for work at 1 and work until 4. I'm hoping I'll get some good orders, some good money. So, I was editing and I wasn't feeling very productive. So I decided that I will go running and start the week off strong by trying to run at least once every single day. So I can get back in shape. And right now I am searching for my sneakers. Oh, they're right here. Okay, and let's go running. Somewhere, I think I saw on TikTok, this girl was giving advice on how to improve your, productivity. And the first thing is to work on your physiology and to move your body. That'll just help with to feel productive and get shit done, you know? So, might as well do that, right? So, I made it to both hills to the top. But once I got to up to the top of the second hill, I had to stop to catch my breath. And I partially feel dizzy. This is what happens when you don't run for 2 weeks. We're gonna try to get back on track, and nothing's gonna stop us.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul, I ain't this fucking cold, yeah. That's just how it goes. When I do get older, these days I don't get no sleep. Fuck 'em all, they don't know me. Couple minutes and I'll be good. Let me drink my coffee. Back up. That's the greeting you gon' get if you step up. Messed up, well I've been and done when I tense up. That patience wearing out, playing dress up. Big sales on them big meals. Got a pocket full of coupons, we gon' eat well. And you know I got them refills. Got my Dons and the coffee Vince playing on the JBL. Lately I don't go to sleep unless the sun is up. Think I'm wasting all this time feeling kinda stuck. Not enough reps on the chest, who the fuck does legs now? Way too busy feeling stressed out.
Okay, y'all, so it is exactly 1 a.m. right now. I am currently uploading Vlogmas Day 10. So it should be up in 20 minutes. So once it's done uploading, if you haven't seen it already, you're more than welcome to go check it out. I'm going to end today's vlog right here. All my social media is linked down below as well if you want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever. Remember, start with what you have, not with what you want. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye, guys.